Kelsey, and I'm here at Super Bowl 2015, Rolling Stones live in Arizona. Tons of celebrities, lots of action. We have Steven Tyler performing, Charlie XCX. Can't wait to see all the excitement that happens here tonight.
Seahawks, because I have a Seahawks jersey.
That's a really great reason.
Seahawks, because I hate the Patriots.
Guys, we got to go. I want to be a Rolling Stone right now. I don't even know if I should let you guys know this, but if Steven does walk this way, I'm jumping on stage with him.
You gonna dance?
And I'm gonna be Run DMC.
Such an amazing event we had here tonight. Steven Tyler, phenomenal, of course. Charlie XCX was amazing as well. So many celebrities here. It was such a great night, and Super Bowl 2015. Can't wait to be back here next year.